Hey students, so you're thinking about an MBA. Great choice. But before you start picking out your dream schools, let's talk about something crucial, and that is your profile. How does it impact your chances and what can you do to strengthen it? Stick around because in the few next minutes, I'm breaking it all down. Alright, when an admission committee looks at your application, they are really evaluating 5 key areas. First, academics. Second, work experience. Third, leadership. And fourth, personal story and fit with the school. Let's go one by one. First up, academics. Your GPA, GMAT or GRE scores and where you went to undergrad all play a role. No, you don't need a perfect 4 GPA, but if your grades were on the lower side, a strong GMAT or GRE scores can balance that out. Business school love to see analytical skills, so your quant score do matter. A strong academic record signals to MBA programs that you can handle the rigor of their coursework. School assesses this by looking at your undergrad performance, the institution you attended, and the difficulty of your major. If you studied engineering or a similarly challenging subject, a slightly lower GPA might be more forgivable than if you studied an easier major. The GMAT or GRE is another way to demonstrate academic readiness. If you have a low GPA, a high test score can help offset it. Some applications retake the GMAT multiple times to get a competitive score. If you are in that boat, don't stress too much, but aim for at least the average score of your target schools. Beyond the numbers, coursework also matters. Did you take quant-heavy classes? Were you in an honors program? If your undergrad performance isn't strong, consider taking additional courses in finance, accounting, or data analytics to show a school that you're ready. Mocks or online certifications can also help. Though they won't entirely replace a strong academic record, if you struggle with academics due to personal reason, use the optional essay to explain your circumstances just to be sure to focus on growth and improvement rather than making excuses. Now we will talk about your work experience. So yeah, let's talk about your job. It's not just about how many years you've worked, it's about impact. Have you led your projects? Have you grown in your role? Have you made real contributions? You don't need to work at a big name firm to stand out. What matters is what you did, not just where you worked. MBA programs look for candidates who have demonstrated professional progression. This means promotion, increased responsibility, or significant contributions to projects. For example, if you started as an analyst and move up to a managerial role within a few years, that shows leadership potential. Even if you haven't had a formal promotion, taking on larger responsibilities or making tangible impact in your company can be just as valuable. Your industry matters too, but not in the way you might think. Yes, consulting, finance, and tech are common paths to business school, but admissions committee appreciate diversity. If you come from a non-traditional background like healthcare, education, or the military, that can make you stand out. The key is to show how your experiences translate into leadership and problem-solving skills applicable to business. If you are early in your career, don't worry. Schools understand that candidates come from different backgrounds. Just focus on making the most out of your current role. Show that you are proactive, results-driven, and capable of making an impact in your workplace. Now we are moving forward to third segment, and that is leadership and extracurriculars. Leadership is huge. Schools want to see that you are not just a great worker, but someone who takes initiative. Maybe you led a team at work, or maybe you started a community project outside of work. It all counts. They are looking for signs that you will be an engaged, active student and a future leader. Leadership isn't just about having a fancy title, it's about influence, initiative, and driving results. If you have managed people, spearheaded projects, or taken on leadership roles in volunteer organizations, that's leadership. Even informal leadership, mentoring junior employees, or organizing company-wide events matters. Business school wants students who will contribute both inside and outside the classroom. So, showcasing your leadership potential is key. Extracurricular activities are also important. Maybe you were involved in a professional organization, led a fundraising campaign, or even started a passion project. School want candidates who are well-rounded and engaged in their communities. If you haven't been active outside of work, now is the time to start. Join a non-profit. Basically means join an NGO, get involved in a cause you care about, or take on leadership roles in industry groups. Now we are moving forward toward fourth segment, and that is personal story and goals. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They think an MBA is just a way to level up their career. That's not enough. School wants to see why you need an MBA, how it fits into your career plan, and what makes your journey unique. Your personal story should be compelling and authentic. What motivated you to pursue an MBA? What challenges have you overcome? What makes you different from other applicants? Maybe you come from an unconventional background, or perhaps a personal experience shaped your career path. Use your essays to paint a vivid picture of who you are and where you are headed. Your career goals also need to be crystal clear. Schools want to know what you plan to do immediately after your MBA and in the long term. Vague answers like "I want to work in consulting" won't cut it. Be specific, mention target companies, roles, and how an MBA will help bridge the gap. Now, the final segment, and that is fit with the school. Finally, fit. This is where you prove that you're not just applying because it's a top end school, but because it's the right school for you. Have you spoken to alumni? Do you know the school's culture? Can you clearly explain why this specific program is a perfect fit for your goals? That's what sets strong applicants apart. Each MBA program has a unique culture, teaching style, and strengths. Do your homework. Attend virtual events, talk to current students, and visit campuses if possible. Your application should reflect a deep understanding of what makes the program unique and how it aligns with your goals. Schools don't just want strong candidates, they want people who will thrive in their specific environment. And of course, last but not the least, so to sum it up, strong academics, impactful work experience, real leadership, a compelling story, and a strong school fit. Focus on these areas and you will have a rock solid MBA application. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more MBA tips, and drop comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.